Ibrahim's zakzakey's residence in Dar Rahma.
Detention of Sheikh Ibrahim al-Zakzakey and his wife Malima Z. On Sunday, human rights groups marked the 4th anniversary since the Zaria massacre in Nigeria by the Nigerian army and the unlawful detention of Sheikh Ibrahim al-Zakzakey and his wife Malima Zina, with a press conference in Tehran to demand justice for the martyrs and freedom for Sheikh Zakzakey and his wife. Addressing reporters, the daughter of Sheikh Zakzakey said, in the 48 hours between December 12 to 14, the Nigerian army massacred over 1,000 Shia residents of Zaria.
It has been 4 years since the Zaria massacre, and justice is yet to be done on the matter. 4 years ago, in December 2015, the Nigerian army attacked the Husseiniya Baqiyatullah and subsequently Sheikh Ibrahim's zakzakey's residence in Dar Rahma. They inhumanely massacred over 1,000 innocent people, among them 297 women, 23 of them pregnant, 248 men, and 193 children.
Sheikh Zakzakey and his wife were both shot and abducted without charge. Their 3 sons were murdered in the attack, and their home was destroyed, as was the graves of the Sheikh's parents. The army burned the community's mosque to the ground and demolished their cemetery. The daughter of Sheikh Zakzakey said the majority of deaths were caused by gunshots fired by soldiers. She also said some were burned alive or hacked to death and called for justice for the victim. Back in August, Sheikh Zakzakey and his wife traveled to India to receive medical treatment as his health condition was deteriorating in detention. But he returned to Nigeria a few days later after rejecting the Nigerian government's obstruction of his treatment.
Since their return over 4 months back, Sheikh Zakzakey and his wife haven't been receiving any medical care they are in need of, and they have been blocked access to their legal counsel and doctors.
Nigerian authorities have transferred Sheikh Zakzakey and his wife to a prison, where many detainees have so far died due to lack of medical attention. They have been kept in custody along with a large number of followers ever since. Hanoodhereyo, Press TV, Tehran.